Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here, so excited because I just got a new palette that we're gonna play with today. So if you want to see what palette I got or what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so the new palette is this girl right here. I've been waiting for her forever. This is from Plainy Makeup by Yolondo. It's the Relentless palette, and she is massive. Like it's so big. Like, I'm not a small girl. This takes my whole chest pretty much. So yeah. So it's $60, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it. So look at her, and this is like so pretty, Sorry, I get so excited. And that mirror is so good, but I mean, I won't be able to hold this, but so she looks like so. Oh my god, look at this. I have to like move aside so you guys can see this. Like, look at the size of this. So these three shades right here, a duochrome. It's like a purple that shifts into a grayish shade, and then there's a green that shifts into a blue, and then a pink, and then this is like a blue that shifts into like a purple, and it's like all over the place. I love it. So 36 shades, and then those three on the sides, and in here has 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. So there's 4 shimmers, and the rest of them are mattes, and then the duochromes. So this is Cold Hearted. Look at this. This is so pretty. And that's just one little swipe. Like one little swipe. I'm gonna do one of the mattes. Let's do Unforgiving, which is the green. Which I think I'm gonna play with today, maybe. I don't know. But look at this. And then let's do Inflexible. And then here, look at this, so pretty and hands so dirty. Okay, so let's jump. I have no idea what look I'm gonna do, but we're gonna do something. So I did go ahead and prime my lid with the Makeup by Yolondo base, because it just makes sense to use her stuff. And so this is the Y210. I love this brush for like packing, So I'm gonna start with this eye, because I always start with this one. I don't know what to do, like what to go in. So many pretty shades. Let's go with this shade right here, called Implacable. This is so pretty. This green is to die for. Okay, so let's put this down, and I'm gonna go into Unforgiven. I already know. Yep, we're gonna go into Y204, and we're gonna go into Unforgiven. Man, I've been waiting for this palette for months, and it was so worth it. So worth it. This brush is like literally the best blending brush I've ever used. I think I'm gonna do a video about like the best brushes that I've used for blending. Okay, we're gonna cut the crease. I know, like okay, like this is, you already know. I'll take a little bit of this. I need to bring up, I have an oil, like a cleansing oil. I need to bring that up so I can try that. Let's close this because this is so big. Might not be the best palette to travel with, but for home, amazing. Okay, so crease is cut. This is what Y217, Y217. Maybe this. That just seems like a lot of green. I'm just putting a base here so you have something to kind of stick on. Not stick on, sorry. Just make sure there's no like spaces. So I'm just putting like a base. You can't really see it because it's really light. That's all I need. Just a little something for my base. I need to wash my brushes. Oh, I need to get my husband to help me because, you know. Okay, so let's go in with Unmatched. Oh, and this is on a 421 from Morphe. Just gonna go ahead and put that on here. Man, she has a lot of really nice palettes, but I'm thinking Relentless is the best. My only issue is with this, like this is just like a lot of green. I have to mix this up a little bit. I might go back to Impeccable and I'm gonna put a little bit right here. But that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put Cold Hearted in my inner corners. Just like right here. Okay, so that's it. I really like how this come out. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Finish up my eye, you know, my other eye. I put some lashes on. I put foundation. Today I actually mixed two foundation. I'm using the All Day Luminous Weightless foundation from Nars, and I'm using the Dose of Colors foundation, Meteor Hue. So I actually really like the combo. So yeah. Oh, and for concealer, I'm wearing this Zoeva Authentic Skin Protector Retouch Concealer. I actually got this, I don't know, it says a glow up stick, but I don't know how, when I hear glow up, I just automatically think of like a highlighter, I guess. I don't know. This reminds me of like that Kim Kardashian ensemble thingy. Okay, so it looks like so. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try to use this. Let me see. Oh, by the way, this is from She Glen Sheam, and I hate this. It's shade Caramel Suede, and it's from, yeah, She Glen. So it's a glow up stick. I'm gonna use this instead because the other brush was so dense, not my jam. This is 405 by Makeup by Yolondo. So much better. So this is a little bit harder to blend for my other like contour sticks or foundation sticks that I use. So yeah, I don't know. And I feel like it's a little bit ashy. It's okay. Will I repurchase it? Most likely not. Just blending out my concealer with my E20 from Morphe. I do not like this contour thing. Oh my god. I mean, it's not terrible, but it's not my favorite. Okay, let's go ahead and set it and forget it. to set under my eye, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier powder. It never fails me. I feel like this is like my favorite powder to set under my eye. Don't ask me why I've done it. We'll just go ahead, you know, and take that part off the video, which most likely, you know, my editor wants, because, you know, he hates me. JK, he doesn't, but I know he won't take it off. I'm thinking I'm gonna do this shade unsympathetic on my lower lash line. I've been liking that look lately, like a different color, and since this is so heavily green, I don't want to do more green. Oh, and this is a L30 from Laura Lee birthday brushes. Trying to go to can't even speak. Trying to go to close to my lash line as possible. Trying not to make it go every year. That's from Marc Jacobs and his Grapevine. I'm actually mixing these two shades, this one right here and this one. Okay, let's bronze the face quickly. And so this video is about 100 years old. I'm gonna use 10 from Juvia's Place. Me and this powder. I think the only time I'm gonna stop using this powder is when I throw it away. Cause I keep misplacing my orders, and then for some reason this one is always like where I can get it. So it's gonna be the one that I'm gonna use all the time because it's right there. I used this blush yesterday and I actually like it. I'm gonna use this. This is from the volume 1 from Juvia's Place, and it's Toby. Okay. Toby. Did not come to play. So yeah. And I'm gonna use this palette again, but I'm gonna use this. Usually I just mix like a ton of shades. Lips, lips, lips. Something not too crazy. Cause girl, these eyes already are there. Next thing I put this on, like that would be crazy. This is actually from Buxom, and it's Stealth. I'm gonna use this from Smashbox. It's Petal Metal. I haven't used this in a while. Ew. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. I love this palette. I think this is my favorite palette so far. I have tons of her palettes, but I think this one is the best for me. So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.